Here we have a 2018 67 plate BMW 520D M Sport Touring. Now with this vehicle you do get four 19-inch alloy wheels which are unmarked, unscratched and in excellent condition. To come around to the front, we've got the black kidney grills with chrome surround, as you can see just there. We've got our second alloy wheel there, colour-coded wing mirrors, M badging. We've got the colour-coded door handles with the chrome accents, privacy glass for the rear passengers, black roof rails on top with the shark fin antenna. As we make our way around to the back, you'll notice the vehicle does come with both front and rear parking sensors and a reversing camera. We've got the dual exit exhausts at the bottom just there. Now with these models you do have two openings for the boot. So you've got the first one like so, and then if we close that down, you've also got the power assisted tailgate that'll open up for you like that. Now if we take a closer look in here, the valeters have done a really nice job with the stripes in here, as you can see. Put the back seats down with the switch just there. 12-volt connectivity, and as you may have noticed, we don't have towing hitch just there, but we've pressed this button and that will come out for us. But as you can see, there's a huge amount of space in here, which you would expect with this being the estate variant. Incredibly tidy. And now we'll just wait for that tow bar to come out. There we go. As you can see, that is almost finished in position. What a great feature. So you can hide it or you can have it exposed like so whenever you please. But if you're not using it, you can just press this button and it'll go back hidden underneath. Really nice feature. And then with it being power assisted, we can press that button and that'll come back down for us like so as well. Now as you can see, the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now let's go have a look at the interior. So we do have the full white ivory Dakota leather throughout, which looks absolutely fantastic. We've got the fold down armrest just here with two good sized cup holders. We've got ISO fixed points within these seats. We've got the seat belts that match in colour as well, that looks superb. In the middle, we've got our vents with temperature control, 12-volt connectivity and additional storage. We've then got the storage behind the front passengers as well. On the doors, we've got our brushed metal handle, electric window control and additional storage. More of this ivory white Dakota leather as well, which looks fantastic. And then this trim as well. Now in the front, we've got that same familiar full white ivory Dakota leather. These seats do look fantastic. You've also got the electrical adjustments down here for the seats, which make getting it comfortable an absolute breeze. On the door, we've got our lock and unlock button, brushed metal handle, some more of this lovely trim, more leather. We've got the electric window controls with child lock for the rear and electric wing mirrors just there too. We've then got a boot release and additional storage. Now if we get inside, we've got our auto lights on the right just there. Now we'll start the vehicle up, foot on the brake, touch the button, there we go. Now as you can see, we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard, and the vehicle itself has covered just over 50,240 miles. Now we've then got our multifunctional steering wheel, things like cruise control, speed limiter, phone controls and volume controls, paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of the gears. We've got our auto wipers on the right, and as you may have noticed, we have got a digital display just here. So if we are to change modes, so this is Eco Pro, as you can see we do have the different dynamic driving modes, but that will actually change your display in front. We've then got comfort just there, and then last but not least we also have sport. So it's really nice that this is adaptive and dependent on the driving mode you are in. Really nice feature to have. We've then got our infotainment screen. So in here you'll find things like navigation, which you've got on display at the moment. We've then got different forms of media connectivity. On here you'll find things like DAB, FM and AM radio, music collection, CD/DVD, Bluetooth audio and USB. We've then got phone connectivity, so we can connect our phones via Bluetooth to make calls or listen to music, like so. Put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we do have our reversing camera on the right, and we've also got a visual display of front and rear sensors just there too. closing that off, we've also got the go back into park. We've also got the intelligent safety systems there as well, like you can see. Now, another nice feature that does come with this vehicle, you go into vehicle settings, lights, interior lights. We do have ambient lighting, which looks absolutely fantastic at night time. I can't really show you at the moment as it's very bright outside and the camera doesn't pick it up, but this does truly look superb when it's dark. Plenty of choices of colour as well. Really nice feature again. Now moving down, we've then got our stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left. We've got our dual zone climate controls just below, where you'll find heated seat buttons just there for both front passengers. You've also got ice cold air conditioning with nice shortcuts like max air conditioning just there, so you can press that and it will come on at full blast. Turning that off, we've got the storage underneath here where we've got the key at the moment. You can see a bit of the ambient lighting just there. We've then got two good sized cup holders and 12-volt connectivity. That closes up like so. Gear stick just here, we've got park, reverse, neutral, drive, and then if we flick it across to the left, we're then in manual / sport. So we can go down or up a gear like so. So it's great that you've got the choice between that and the paddle shifters. You can choose whichever you're more comfortable with. We've then got a button for our traction control, our mode select, so sport, comfort and eco pro, which I showed you briefly before. We've then got the button for our parking sensors, our electronic handbrake with auto hold, and our control wheel just here as well, which is what I've been using to navigate the infotainment screen just here for this demonstration. Then last but not least, we've also got the soft touch leather armrest, which also doubles up as storage. You've also got another 12-volt connectivity point in there as well. Very handy to have. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on this video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive for this BMW 520D. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate to you that they work exactly how they should. So starting off, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control just here. So to activate cruise control, I'll press cruise, press up on the trigger, and I'm now cruising at my current speed. Very easy to adjust the speed on this trigger as well in increments of 1 or to the nearest 5. And then to deactivate this, I'll simply press cruise or apply pressure to the brake and we're back to normal control. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 6th gear, down to 5th, 4th, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and then back into 6th. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions at all, no unwanted sounds, exactly how you would expect. Now we are slowly approaching the roundabout where we'll be taking a left turn as if you were here with us today, and it's a good point to mention how comfortable this vehicle is. We've got the full leather interior, the white ivory Dakota leather to be specific, which is incredibly comfortable. We've got heated seats in the front as well. We've got the electrical adjustments on our side as well, which makes it incredibly easy to get comfortable into the right position you want. We've got all the modern features we could desire on the infotainment screen, things like satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, DAB radio, USB, plenty of ways to connect your devices, listen to music, and we've also got our dynamic driving mode, so we've got sports, comfort and eco pro, so it's great to have that versatility when driving about. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 1.5 years. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge impact on many businesses, and still is doing to this day, we feel like we're quite well prepared. We have adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly to make them contactless, and what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself, just to ensure your safety and our own. Now we are a 5-star dealership as well. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online and check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a pleasant buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now, I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake and also demonstrate that reverse works as it should. So just pulling in now, emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes just there, straight into reverse. We've got our reversing camera and visual display of front and rear sensors just there. Now this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Part exchanges are welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, the video test drive or the video walk around, again, feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. Appointments are also welcome now. If you'd wish to come and view the vehicle in person, again, feel free to get in touch. That's all from me on this video. I hope you found it useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.